patience, and growth. Today, we explore this journey with a fresh perspective. We are joined by Ms. Sneha Mishra, a counseling psychologist, parenting coach, and a mother with over a decade of experience supporting children and families. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, Adya.
So, ma'am, your first question is what inspired you to choose child psychology?
Uh, uh, Actually, I started my journey after 2012 as a counseling psychologist. And after spending thousands of hours in classrooms, in therapy room, in playgrounds, I realized that whatever problems we have after being an adult, no, either it is about relationship issues or about stubborn personality, someone who is really very angry, no, anger person. So I realized that these all things are there because in our childhood we have some kinds of unmet needs. So at that time, what I thought that why not to work at roots, because I didn't want to work on branches, and that's the reason that I thought कि अगर किसी बच्चे को उसकी पूरी दुनिया में समझ लूँ, that what causes a problem to that child, तो फिर बड़े होने पे there देर इज़ नो एनी नीड ना कि वो बच्चा किसी काउंसलिंग सेशंस में जाए टू फिक्स द पास्ट, एंड दैट्स द रीज़न दैट आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग विद किड्स.
Truly, ma'am, understanding makes a big difference. Ma'am, your second question is what gap did you notice between children and adults in schools?
In schools, I think I notice this gap everywhere. जब मैं क्लिनिक में बैठी होती हूँ तब भी, at home as well. We adults, we prioritize compliance. Like, if you are a अच्छा बच्चा, so you have to be obedient. You have to listen. You have to, जो भी मैं instructions दे रही हूँ, you have to follow that one. Right? So we are always in a mode of to fix something. जहाँ गड़बड़ होता है वहाँ हम बड़ों की नज़र होती है. But as you have asked about the gap, ना, तो being a kid, I think that kids need connection first. They prioritize connection. जिससे मुझे प्यार मिलता है, जो मुझे समझता है, I am ready to listen that person. And I think this is the main gap कि पेरेंट्स बच्चों को ठीक करना चाहते हैं. इट्स बिकॉज उनको लगता है बच्चे बिगड़े हुए हैं. बट द फैक्ट इज कि बच्चे बिगड़े हुए नहीं हैं, इन्वायरमेंट बिगड़ा हुआ है.
Yes, ma'am. Support helps us to do better. Ma'am, your third question is biggest mistake well meaning parents make?
Oh, well-meaning parents. The biggest mistake I think is to be a fixer. Because what happens, near about 5 years since COVID hits, that time I started my clinic here in Varanasi. And from that time till now, I just noticed this thing कि वो सारे parents who are really very much concerned, who really love their kids a lot, और हमेशा ऐसा होता है कि हर माँ अपने बच्चे को प्यार करती है. सो दे आर देयर ऑलवेज टू फिक्स समथिंग. It's something like, oh, you lost your toy. No need to worry about. Now we'll buy on some other day some other toys. Oh, your friends are not talking to you in a class. कोई बात नहीं, मैं बात करूँगी इस बारे में टीचर से. Right? So in this way, well-meaning parents unknowingly, what they do, they just deprived their kids to learn the resilience, to learn that how to solve my problem on my own, right? And unknowingly they just pass this message to their kids like तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. So this is, I think, being a fixer for your child is the biggest mistake. Unknowingly, unintentionally, most of the parents, they do so.
I agree, ma'am. Understanding comes first. So, ma'am, your next question is role of communication in shaping confidence.
Oh, I think this is the biggest important role it plays actually. Because what in psychology we believe कि आप जैसा खुद के बारे में सुनते हैं आप वैसा मानने लगते हैं. It's all about all the neurons, no, which are there in our head. So, if you are asking me, Adya, about communication, if there is a mom who is always there to tell the child, like, you're not responsible, you're not a good child, तुम अच्छा बच्चा नहीं हो, you're not that much serious for your studies, right? So, slowly what happens, that child started realizing that maybe, probably, or sometimes they have this fixed thought process that certainly my mom is right. I'm not acha bacha. I'm not responsible, right? Why it happens? Because communication plays really a very important role when we are talking about child psychology, when we are talking about parenting. Now, so if a mom or a papa, anyone I'm talking about, if a parent says something which is not good for the child, no? So slowly what happens, it becomes the inner voice of that child. बच्चे को लगता है मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ, दैट्स वाई मम्मी पापा इज सेइंग लाइक दिस. और धीरे धीरे व्हाट हैपेंस कि he has that self image, that fixed self image. Like what happens, Adya, in my clinic now, students who are in graduation or post graduation, I mean so many students, they come either from BHU or Vidyapeeth or some degree colleges of Varanasi. So they come to me and they says it strongly, they have a strong belief कि मैम मुझे ना मेरी मम्मा कहती थी एकदम बेवकूफ़ हो तुम, मैं हूँ बेवकूफ़, right? So if a parent wants to make their kids confident enough, the very first thing is that please don't focus on result. Please focus on efforts. So rather than to tell your child that great job, you got grade A, just say तुमने बहुत कोशिश की है, मुझे पता है तुमने बहुत कड़ी मेहनत की है. Because in this way your child will understand that process matters a lot. And then only that self confidence जो हम चाहते हैं अपने बच्चों में ना, कि वो दिखे मेरे बच्चे में, automatically it will build up.
That's right, ma'am. Words matter a lot. Ma'am, your next question is 2 simple habits to strengthen your bonding.
Oh, 2 simple habit. So many habits I can say here. What I am following is special 10 minutes. Special 10 minutes is something like that every day. I do this thing with my daughters as well. I'm blessed with 2 daughters. दोनों ही तुमसे छोटी हैं. My elder one, she is 8 years old, and the younger one, she is 3.5 years old. So what I do, once they come from the school, my elder one especially, she is so talkative like me only. So she is like कि मम्मा मैं आपके साथ किचन में काम करूँ, whatever I am doing there at that time. तो like imagine कि अगर मैं रोटी बना रही होती हूँ, she is like मम्मा मैं बनाऊँ, तो मैं उसको बोलती हूँ yes for sure you can do बच्चा, the last one only ना, because बाकी सारी नहीं. तो while making a roti, she just starts everything. मम्मा पता है आज स्कूल में क्या हुआ था? And at that time, my focus is not there that how my daughter is making that roti. गोल बन रही है या ट्रायंगल शेप बन रहा है या फिर इंडिया का मैप बन रहा है. I just don't care about that. Because that special 10 minutes is her only. वो जो भी चाहे उस टाइम पे मुझे बोल सकती है, बता सकती है. I don't interrupt her. I don't fix her कि ये वाली चीज़ गड़बड़, अरे तुमने तो बेलन इधर घुमा दिया. Because I just want, and at that time I just give my full attention to my daughter. फ़ोन भी किसी का आ रहा होता है, जैसे सपोज एनी क्लाइंट और समवन, तो आई एम लाइक साइलेंट पे कर दो अभी, 10 मिनट सिर्फ दीवा का होगा, नेक्स्ट 10 मिनट सिर्फ वानी का होगा. So this is the first thing what I do with my daughters. For parents who really want to strengthen their bonding with their kids, the next thing I can suggest जादू की झप्पी. मुन्ना भाई MBBS देखा है? तो because that जादू की झप्पी ना, just only if you are hugging someone, I mean to your mom or papa, that 5 seconds, 10 seconds, it will help to boost that oxytocin. And oxytocin is a happy hormone. So at that time, because it is helpful for both, for parents also, for kids also. So at that time, we have that sense of love, connection, safety. And one more thing what I do every night with my daughters, and that one is gratitude practice and high-low buffalo. Sounds interesting, right? तो ग्रेटिट्यूड प्रैक्टिस मतलब मैं हर दिन बोलती हूँ मेरी बेटियों से दैट यू नो व्हाट हैपन टुडे, व्हाट बेस्ट हैपन टुडे, एंड फॉर दैट वन आई जस्ट से थैंक यू भगवान जी, थैंक यू भगवान जी, आज मैंने बहुत अच्छा खाना खाया. लाइक टुनाइट आई एम गोइंग टू से थैंक यू भगवान जी, मैं आज आद्या से मिली. एंड हाई लो बफेलो इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ फॉर्मूला एवरी पेरेंट कैन ट्राई, बिकॉज मैं ट्राई करती हूँ एंड इट इज़ हेल्पिंग मी. एंड दैट वन इज़ दैट जब हम लोग बेड पे होते हैं, माँ बेटी सब साथ में लेटे होते हैं, एट दैट टाइम आई जस्ट शेयर द हाई मोमेंट ऑफ द डे. ये वाला टाइम ना बहुत अच्छा था, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा. द लो मोमेंट ऑफ द डे, इस टाइम पे ना आई स्ट्रगल्ड, आई वॉज नॉट फीलिंग वेल, एंड बफेलो समथिंग लाइक जो भी मस्ती की है दिन में, एनी वन मोमेंट, बिकॉज वैन वी स्माइल विथ समवन, वैन वी लव विथ समवन, कनेक्शन बिल्डिंग बहुत ईजिली हो जाती है. So this is what I personally do, and I can suggest this thing to other parents as well.
Yes, ma'am. These habits build trust. Ma'am, your next question is message for overwhelmed parents.
Oh, overwhelmed parent is, see, if I'm having that guilt, na, that I'm not doing my best, it means I care for that thing, right? तो जिसके लिए हम ज़्यादा केयरिंग होते हैं उसी के लिए हमें गिल्ट भी होता है, बिकॉज आई रियली वॉन्ट टू गिव माई 100%. आई रियली वॉन्ट टू बी परफेक्ट. बट इफ़ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पेरेंटिंग आद्या, सो देर इज़ नथिंग काइंड ऑफ परफेक्शन इन पेरेंटिंग, बिकॉज नो वन इज़ परफेक्ट ना. इंसान भी नहीं होते हैं, भगवान भी नहीं होते हैं. सो because a child never needs a perfect parent. A child needs a parent, a regulated one, a parent who is happy, a parent who is a human being, not a machine, not a robot. मैं तो कभी गुस्सा करूँगी ही नहीं, मुझे भी गुस्सा आ सकता है, मुझे भी कोई बात बुरी लग सकती है, मैं भी गलतियाँ कर सकती हूँ, राइट? बिकॉज मेरी बच्चियाँ मुझे गलतियाँ करते हुए देख रही हैं. एंड मेनी टाइम्स इट हैपन्स दैट आई से सॉरी, मेरे से गलती हो गई ना, मैं माफ़ी मांगती हूँ इस चीज़ के लिए, एंड आई जस्ट टेल इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम ऑल्सो कि मेरे से गलती हो गई, बट ठीक है, नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं इसको ठीक करूँगी. सो अ चाइल्ड नीड्स अ रेगुलेटेड पेरेंट, नॉट अ परफेक्ट वन.
Truly, ma'am. Consistency helps. Now, ma'am, it's the time for rapid fire.
Okay.
Now, your first question is one thing that every child needs most at the home.
Every child need, okay. I think psychological safety, because like if I will be a 10-year-old Sneha, so what I need in my home, first of all, कि मुझे प्यार मिले, डिसिप्लिन करा जाए, बट मुझे डर ना लगे मेरे घर में.
Discipline or connection first?
Connection.
One emotion child struggles to express.
I think shame or the feeling of powerlessness, because what happens most of the time, what I realized, कि बच्चे ना उस टाइम पे जब shame feel करते हैं तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा करते हैं, rather than to tell कि मुझे ना actually शर्मिंदगी महसूस हो रही है.
One self-care tip for parents.
Self-care tip? Oh, that don't expect too much from yourself. No one is perfect, तो गलतियाँ करिए, सीखिए.
One book or resource parents should explore.
One book, okay. Book, if you're asking Adya, so that one is Whole Brain Child. Writer is Dr. Segi, I think. I'll have to check it again, sorry. But resource, if you are talking about, so from the last 3-4 months, I am following Sadhguru, and his app is Miracle of Mind. मेरी गुरु हैं डॉक्टर उषा वर्मा मैम इज़ देयर एंड शी सजेस्टेड मी कि स्नेहा सुनो और सीखो. So from the last 3-4 months, I am following, I am learning, and really I can say वो सारे parents जो बोलते हैं ना, I'm not able to control my anger. They can do it easily.
We hope today's conversation helps parents reflect and grow alongside their children. With this, I Adya signing off today's podcast. Stay connected and stay thoughtful. Jai Hind.